Assalamualaikum my YouTube friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you friends? Hope you all are fine. In this video we are going to show you a very interesting, beautiful, outstanding Christmas jute craft ideas. Christmas is a beautiful season of love, happiness and creativity. It is a time when people decorate their homes and share gifts with family and friends. Today we are talking about amazing Christmas crafts and made with jute rope and burlap. These materials are simple, natural and very beautiful. They help us create handmade decorations that look warm and traditional. Jute rope and burlap are eco-friendly materials. They are strong, cheap and easy to use. When we make crafts with them, we also help the environment by reducing plastic decorations. Handmade crafts also show love and effort. They make Christmas decoration look more special and meaningful. One of beautiful idea is making Christmas decoration using jute rope. You can wrap jute rope around cardboard and wooden shapes to create tree ornaments. These ornaments look rustic and elegant. They can be hung on the Christmas tree or used as gift decoration. Christmas burlap stockings are another wonderful craft idea. You can stitch or glue and burlap to make stockings. They decorate them with lace, ribbons, or small bells. These stockings look very traditional and give a farmhouse Christmas feeling. Jute rope candle holders are also very popular Christmas crafts. You can wrap jute rope around glass jars. When you place candles inside, they create a warm and cozy light. These candle holders look beautiful on dining tables or room corner. Burlap Christmas wreaths are very attractive and easy to make, and you can use a ring base and cover it with burlap cloth. Then decorate it with artificial flowers, pine cones, and ribbons. These wreaths look very stylish on doors, making jute rope stars in another creative idea. You can shape rope into star designs using glue. These stars can be used as well decorations or tree ornaments. They brings a handmade charm to Christmas decoration and burlap gifts. Wrapping is a very creative and unique idea. Instead of using paper, you can wrap gifts with a burlap cloth. Add jute rope bows or small Christmas tags. This makes gifts look natural and very classy. Jute rope Christmas bells are very lovely crafts. You can cover small bells with rope and decorate them with beads or ribbons. These bells can hang on door or Christmas trees. They create a festive and joyful look. Burlap table runners are perfect for Christmas dining decoration, and you can cut burlap cloth and decorate it with lace or paint designs. It makes dining tables look elegant and festive. Jute rope photo frames are also very creative. You can wrap rope around simple frames, then place family photos or Christmas pictures inside. These frames become beautiful memory decorations. Burlap wall hangings with Christmas messages are very meaningful craft. You can paint words like Merry Christmas or Peace and Love on burlap Christmas. These wall hangings